Hi, what's up guys? Finally I got the camera. This is action camera, 4K supported, Ultra HD DV, and also 30mm water resistance, and 16 megapixel camera, 4K supported, 30 fps, 64 GB SD card, and 170-degree angle video, and also Wi-Fi supported. And there is other also option, I don't know that one. And there is some accessories I hope inside the packet. So I open the packet and see what I have inside. And this is the accessories. There is lots of accessories. This cable, this cleaning towel, and this for I don't know, this belt, this extra mirror, and this one for a tripod or selfie stick, and this one I don't know, this one. This one also, this one used for a bicycle. When you go outside you can use this one, your bicycle. And this one you can use your there is a book. It's a user manual book, so I don't have time now to read this one. You can read after. So see that there is a bicycle, for inside the water, help for helmet. You can use these accessories, all the accessories, this user manual guide. This one is a cover for camera. You can use for under the water. This is the camera. This one is for power button. There have volume switch, also Wi-Fi connection, and this one is battery section, inside battery, and there is a memory card section, HDMI port, and there is a charger or USB cable. So I open this camera. You can see the light.
Like a bird on a tree, I'm just sitting here. I got time, it's clear to see. From up here, the world seems small. We can sit together. It's so beautiful, you and me. We meant to be in the great outdoors, forever free.
So guys, this camera is only for 59 dirham in Dubai. So Bangladesh taka is about 1350 like this. So guys, this camera I brought it from online in Dubai. So if you like this camera, you can comment me on, and you can call me. So guys, I hope you enjoy the video. Subscribe my channel for the next video. Press the bell button.